Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to see how to export our graph data from Material Studio. There are two ways. First one is to export data in Excel form. Go to export, choose the folder where do you want to export, choose CSV format and choose the name DOS as this is dimensional state graph. Save. Now go to desktop and open this file. So this is the x and y axis of your graph. So this is one way of exporting your graph. Now for another method, now this is another graph of reflectivity. Just right click on the graph and copy, open origin, directly paste here, and this is all the data set here, x and y axis of your graph. So the y axis is reflectivity and the x axis is frequency. So type it here, frequency, and its unit is electron volt, and the y axis is reflectivity. So now select both columns and plot the graph here. So this is our reflectivity graph. So now we see two ways of exporting our graph data. Thank you guys, see you in another tutorial. If you like this video, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.